Hey everyone, if ElevenReader isn't working properly, don't worry. Whether the app won't open, your documents won't load, or audio playback isn't working as expected, there are several simple troubleshooting steps you can try. In this guide, I'll walk you through the most common fixes. First, make sure your device has a stable internet connection. Try opening another website or app to confirm that your connection is working. If necessary, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router. Next, completely close ElevenReader and open it again. On mobile devices, remove the app from your recent apps list before relaunching it. On a computer, close the browser tab or application and reopen it. An outdated version of the app can sometimes cause unexpected problems. Open your device's app store and check for available updates. If you're using the web version, refresh the page and make sure you're using an up-to-date browser. If the problem continues, sign out of your ElevenReader account and then sign back in. This can refresh your account session and resolve temporary login or syncing issues. If a specific document isn't loading or a feature isn't working, try opening another document or using a different supported file. Also remember that some features or voices may only be available with certain account plans. If none of these steps solve the problem, try reinstalling the app if you're using a mobile device. You can also visit ElevenReader's help or support page to check for service updates or contact the support team for additional assistance. And that's how you can troubleshoot most ElevenReader issues. In many cases, a quick restart, update, or fresh sign-in is enough to get everything working again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.